Hey everybody, welcome back. Now I just got back from my vacation down in Wildwood, New Jersey, and on the way back up we stopped at Kerbeck Chevrolet in Atlantic City. They had the East Coast C8 Reveal party going on. It was yesterday and today, so we stopped by just to check it out, took a few videos, took a few pictures, so I'm going to share that with you guys. But before I do, I just wanted to show you some of the t-shirts that I had that came out. I know a bunch of you picked them up. Some of you sent me some pictures over saying that you love the shirts, so I just wanted to give everybody watching the ability to see what the shirts look like. And if you want to purchase some yourself, I'm going to leave a discount code down in the description below where you can pick these up, the link, and also the discount code for 5% off. Now this is the first shirt design that I came up with. This is the front, it just says Yellow Vet 04, but then on the back you do have the half view of the C8 Corvette. Now you can either get this in yellow like you see there, you can get it in red, white, and blue, which you see here. You can get it all just in red, all just in white, or all just in blue. So that's the first t-shirt design that I came up with. And then the other one was Save the Wave. Now I only have this with the black image, so that's going to be on different colored shirts. Here it's shown in yellow, but you can get that on a white shirt, red shirt, and there's a few other options. And then same with these. Yeah, these are shown on black shirts, but you can get them in a variety of different colors. I believe the red, white, and blue one, that only comes on a black shirt because there's only so many colors that you can put red, white, and blue on. And then also, if you're new to the channel, this is my 2004 C8 Corvette. My channel is mainly about my ownership of this car, so if you like C8 content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. So now let's get into the C8 videos. Alright, so that's all the videos and pictures that I took from today's C8 Reveal at Kerbeck. Now the car does look like it's in 4x4 mode, and that's because it really is. That 2-inch lift that the car can become optioned with it actually is up on that 2-inch lift. So normally at normal riding height it wouldn't be that high. That's just with that 2-inch lift. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's upload. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.